Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the practical world of home remedies, specifically focusing on sore throat treatments. You know that scratchy, irritating sensation in the back of your throat? That's a sore throat, and it's something virtually all of us have experienced at some point. It's usually a symptom of a larger issue such as a cold, flu, or other viral infection, but it can also be caused by environmental factors like dry air or allergies. A sore throat may seem like a minor inconvenience, but if left untreated, it can lead to more serious complications. It's not just about comfort, but also about maintaining your overall health. That's why it's so important to address a sore throat when it first begins to show up. With that said, let's move on to discuss various treatments that can alleviate a sore throat. We'll be covering everything from simple hydration to over-the-counter solutions, so stay tuned for some practical tips and remedies. First up on our list is the simplest yet most effective treatment, hydration. Yes, you heard it right. The key to treating a sore throat could be as simple as drinking plenty of fluids. It's all about keeping your throat moist and preventing dehydration, which can make a sore throat feel even worse. Now, when we talk about fluids, we're not just referring to water. Juices, particularly those rich in vitamin C like orange or lemon juice, can also be beneficial. Herbal teas too can provide much-needed relief. Let's consider a simple herbal tea recipe. You'd need a teaspoon of chamomile flowers, a slice of lemon, and a spoonful of honey. Brew the chamomile flowers in boiling water for about 5 minutes, then add the lemon slice and honey. This soothing concoction can help to reduce inflammation and soothe your sore throat. Remember, when it comes to sore throats, staying hydrated can make a world of difference. Moving on, our next treatment option is an age-old remedy, the saltwater gargle. This trusted cure requires nothing more than a cup of warm water and a half teaspoon of salt. Stir the salt into the water until it dissolves completely. Now you have a simple yet effective saltwater solution. Here's the part that brings relief. Take a deep breath, hold a mouthful of this solution, tilt your head back, and gargle. The salt water works by drawing out excess water from inflamed tissues in the throat, reducing swelling and discomfort. Keep the solution in your mouth, gargling for about 30 seconds before spitting it out. And when should you do this? Aim for at least once every 3 hours. Regular use can soothe the irritated throat tissues and even help wash away viruses and bacteria. This simple home remedy can provide immediate relief for that nagging sore throat. Another popular remedy that you might find helpful is the use of honey and lemon. Now, why honey and lemon, you might wonder? Well, honey is known for its soothing properties and it's a natural antibacterial, making it great for healing a sore throat. On the other hand, lemon is packed with vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and helps fight off infections. To reap the benefits of these two, you could make a simple yet powerful concoction right at home. Here's a quick example. Take a cup of warm water, add in 2 teaspoons of honey and squeeze half a lemon into it. Stir it well and sip on this comforting elixir. You'd be amazed how this natural remedy could help alleviate your sore throat symptoms. But remember, everybody is different and what works for one might not work for all. Always consult with a healthcare professional if your symptoms persist. A spoonful of honey and a dash of lemon could be all you need to soothe that irritating sore throat. Last but not least, let's talk about over-the-counter treatments. Now, while home remedies can do wonders in soothing a sore throat, sometimes you might need a little extra help. That's where over-the-counter treatments step in. Over-the-counter or OTC treatments are readily available at your local pharmacy without the need for a prescription. They come in various forms, each designed to tackle the discomfort brought on by a sore throat in its unique way. First up, we have lozenges. These small, often flavored tablets are designed to be slowly dissolved in your mouth. They work by moisturizing and lubricating your throat's lining, providing temporary relief from the dry, scratchy feeling that often accompanies a sore throat. Imagine you have a presentation at work, and your throat's feeling a bit rough. A lozenge can be your quick fix. Next, we have throat sprays. They contain ingredients like phenol and benzocaine, which numb the throat and alleviate pain. Picture yourself unable to sleep because of a relentless sore throat. A few sprays can help you get that much needed rest. Lastly, we have painkillers, such as acetaminophen and ibuprofen. These can be used when the pain is severe and persistent. For example, if you have a fever accompanying your sore throat, a painkiller can help reduce both the fever and the throat pain. While home remedies are great, don't forget that over-the-counter treatments can also be a handy option. They're a convenient, effective way to get some quick relief and carry on with your day. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to treating a sore throat. We've walked through a range of simple yet effective treatments that can be done from the comfort of your home. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane, shall we? We started with hydration therapy, highlighting the importance of consistent fluid intake. A well-hydrated body is a well-defended body, and it's as simple as sipping on water throughout the day. Next, we explored the time-honored tradition of saltwater gargle. A pinch of salt in warm water can soothe your throat like nothing else. It's an easy and cost-effective method that's been trusted for generations. Then we delved into the sweet and sour world of honey and lemon therapy. This dynamic duo not only tastes great but also works wonders in relieving throat discomfort. It's nature's very own delicious remedy. Finally, we discussed over-the-counter treatments. When all else fails, your local pharmacy has a wide range of options that can provide immediate relief. Remember, these treatments are not only effective but also easy to implement. They offer a holistic approach to tackling a sore throat, focusing not just on symptom relief but also on overall wellness. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.